These are the main outer door panels for the Austin Healey BN1 104 model. They are cut from hardboards on our CNC. They feature the holes here for the fixings around the outside. They are foamed with 3mm foam padding on the face area, then trimmed all the way round. They feature a moquette material on the back inner lining pocket area. Moquette is a wool-based material, very high quality material, commonly used on a lot of the Jaguar E-types and other Jaguar models for the backs of seats and a couple of panels. We use it for the backing of the door panels on these. Originally it used some sort of cloth material, wasn't particularly nice. We always upgrade to moquette. So they are trimmed all the way around, as you can see, and they feature the Furflex draft excluder on the front and back edges. You have the cut holes here for the door mechanisms to open and close, trimmed all the way around and very neatly done. You can see the seam going around here as well, where it's all been sewn. So basically they get sewn and then get trimmed around. So that is your BN1s. The BN2 door panels, bear in mind, are exactly the same shape, size, etc., and they're trimmed exactly in the same way. However, they feature a stitch going around the outside area of the hole there. So that's commonly just for the BN2 models. We can put it on the BN1 if you'd like as well, but obviously just contact us for details. So that's your set of doors.